Guys, this is Anisha and welcome to my new channel. This tutorial is all about a very simple and natural makeup look, so please keep watching. Firstly, I'm gonna start with my moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated, and also you don't want your skin to look very dry. And yeah, also remember to apply it on your neck as well. Then I'll be using my primer Lasting Finish by Rimmel, and it's very important to use primer before foundation as it helps to minimize our open pores. Next, for my base, I'll be using my Kiko foundation, which is in the shade Warm Rose, and I'll just be taking a thin layer for a natural makeup look and apply it evenly all over my face. Now for blending, I'll be using my foundation brush from Miniso, and also remember to apply a foundation on your neck as well. Next, I'll use this Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. This is in the shade 100 Ivory, and always remember that our concealer should be a shade lighter than our skin tone. To blend my concealer, I'll be using the same brush that I used for my foundation so that there are no harsh lines on my skin. Next, I'll just quickly set my whole face using this loose powder by Fit Me. Next, I'll be using this blush by Miniso, and I'll be using this two light pink shades and just slightly putting a little bit onto my cheeks. And also this blush is very affordable. Next, I'm using my highlighter by Wet n Wild. This highlighter is really good for a natural makeup look as it gives a very minimal glow. Next, I'll be doing my brows, and I'll quickly start by brushing it upwards. Then I'll just start filling my brows and try to keep it simple as I don't want it to look very dark. Next, I'm using this mascara by Color Essence, and I'll just gently apply it to my upper and lower lashes. Now for my lips, I'll be going for a nude shade by Color Bar, and for a natural look this goes along very well. I'm done now, and that is my routine for a natural makeup look. It's all about having a flawless base and making sure that our skin looks fresh. Hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my new channel, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.